Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are breaking down simple scalping and swing trading strategies for maximum gains. Strategies that cut the fluff and help you take clean, structured trades, whether you are in for a few minutes or a few days. Let us start with scalping. All right. So for scalping strategy, scalping is all about fast execution, and we're going to be using the 5 and 20 EMAs. All right. We're going to be using the 5 and 20 EMAs. Change this to 5. Just make this tick. Change this to 20. Change the color as well. All right. And then we are going to be using these EMAs on the 1 minute or 5 minute chart. In addition to that, we are going to be, the strategy focuses on the London or New York session for volatility. All right. And we are going to be using clean price action confirmations like engulfing candles or breakout retest. So the strategy is simple, very simple. Once the 5 EMA crosses above the 20 EMA and price pulls back to the moving average, you wait for a strong bullish confirmation candle. That's your signal to enter long. So this would have been a good place to enter a buy trade. The reverse works for a short. Once the 5 EMA drops below the 20 EMA and then a pullback happens, and then you get perhaps a bearish engulfing or any bearish candlestick pattern, that is a cue to enter a sell. All right. Stops go just below the structure or the 20 EMA. If you are entering a buy trade, your stops can be just below the 20 EMA or below the nearest swing low. All right. For your short trade, just above the nearest swing high, then your exits can be fixed or trailed using short-term support and resistance levels. You can either fix your exits at key resistance for your buy trade, or you can decide to just trail your stop loss. Then for your sell, you can fix your exit at support levels, key support levels, or you can decide to trail your stop as well. So whichever method that you prefer. You are not chasing every candle. You are waiting for alignment, trend, pullback, confirmation, and then acting. All right. Now let us move to swing trading. Swing trading requires patience, but offers clarity. And here's what we use. We're going to be using the 4-hour or the daily time frames. All right. And then we're going to be paying attention to key supply and demand zones. Key supply and demand zones. All right. And then we look out for price action patterns like pin bars, engulfing candles, or break and retest setups. So the first thing for you to do is to identify a clear trend. You have to start by identifying a clear trend. You mark out major support and resistance levels. All right. Mark out major support and resistance levels that you can find on the chart. All right. When the price pulls into one of those levels, you look for a confirmation candle. For example, you can see what happened here. If it is a bullish trade, You can look for patterns like bullish engulfing or maybe pin bars, off the support. Like you can see what happened here. You can see this doji and this strong bullish candle, this bullish Marubozu candle getting rejected from this support zone, right? Then for short trades, you can look for bearish candlestick patterns, could be bearish engulfing or any other candlestick pattern, maybe a bearish pin bar off resistance. All right, then your entry is placed at the close of the confirmation candle. So once you get a confirmation candle, for example, you can see this shooting star here. You can place your entry at the close of the confirmation candle. All right, then your stop loss goes beyond the zone. For a sell, your stop loss can be above the resistance. For a buy, your stop loss can be below the support. All right. Then for your take profit targets, you can use the next key level, or you can use a risk to reward ratio, perhaps 1 to 2 minimum for a risk to reward ratio, or you can just use the next key level, key support, key resistance for your buy, or key support for your sell. All right. So depending on your trading plan, your exits could be based on risk to reward ratio or based on key levels. Now, swing trading works well when you combine structure, patience, and a confirmation-based entry. No chasing, just reacting when the market gives you the setup. All right. Whether you are scalping or swing trading, risk management is key. So always trade with a fixed percentage risk and never over leverage, no matter how confident you feel about a trade. All right. Keep a log of your trades, learn from what works, and refine your process. These strategies are simple, but their power is in your consistency. Okay. So these simple scalping and swing trading strategies for maximum gains can be a game changer if you commit to the process. They are structured, easy to follow, and work across multiple market conditions when applied correctly. So if you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more no-nonsense Forex strategies that you can start using right away. Comment below if you want to see a live chart walkthrough using these setups. And I'll catch you in the next one. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Cheers and happy trading.